peoples? Today we are cooking some pizza. Some frozen pizza today. So if you go to Walmart or Target, you get these Totino's Party Pizza Original Crisp. A triple cheese. You don't have to pick the same thing I'm cooking. You can get supreme, hamburger, meat, pizza, any pizza you want, okay? You don't have to pick the same thing. There's even meat lovers pizza. So now what you do is you open the pizza. Get all the extra stuff, all the extra cheese. And this is how it looks from in. Now all you need to do is put it in here. Jesus, okay. Put it here. And then, but it's already cooking because we're cooking some pizza too. So that's it. I know it was a short video, so bye. To the next time. With Cooking with Chef Daniels.